folks. It's me again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click buttons. If you like the channel, like it, subscribe to it. This video is going to be about a... first, I'm going to do a couple of tool reviews. Where the hell did I just put it? I just had it here. Well, anyway, I'll do this one. This thing I bought. It's I bought it at Sam's Club. It's a cyclone thing. It's flashlight. Has a 3 different modes. Blinky mode. Wait. 1, 2. It's supposed to blink. Yeah, you hold it. See. Has a bottom light. Has a red cap on it. Could turn it off too. It's hold on, let me turn it off first. Come on, turn off. Now it blinks. See? Turn off. There we go. Anyway, it has this thing, which I'm guessing is for hanging and putting it like this. And I'll show you. It has the little thingamabobber, goes like that. Has light in the bottom. It also has a, I'll show you here, put it back up here. I bought it at Sam's Club because I'm a sucker for it. Comes with a USB charger. There's a, I don't know, tells you how many charges in. I was assuming this is for the USB charging cable put in there, or you can probably put matches in there too if you want. It works really good, goes really far. It's got a lock button, you can lock it on. So if when you pull the trigger here, you can lock it and then hold it like that. And you can turn it off. Of course, now it blinks. And I don't know if this, the front comes off. I don't think so. So it's pretty cool. It's handheld. I bought it because I'm a gadget whore, and we always have cats in our backyard, so I'm always like pointing at the cats. I think it was like on sale for like $29. I think it's waterproof. It looks like this is screwed on there, but I don't know. It's like that. This moves. It hasn't got too much use yet. I'll do another review when I break it because I always break them. That I got was just pretty cool. And where's the other thing I had? It was wait, where is it? Where's the little flag thing? Oh, next I bought this a while ago, but I just want to do a review of these windbag things. I bought this, and believe it or not, if you look at the scratches, I've been using it. I've used it to actually lift up doors. Installing the doors, you just keep. It actually works pretty good. I lifted up my shed door about 1/8 of an inch, and like if you know anything about airbags, they're extremely strong, and they can lift a hell of a lot of. It was $20, and they work great. You can get all the air out of them. They work. These these are actually quite good. And one other trick I seen online is somebody stuffed it in. They folded it up. They put it inside the gas tank. And then they put rubber in there and they popped the dents out of it. So if you're into dent popping procedures, this was that. It looked like a pretty cool. I might actually try it on that gas tank. I want to try it. Another long review I had is of this thing. It's a what is it? It's a DWASHRIR 18 gauge shear. DeWalt shear. I don't know, I think it's from Pakistan because it says DeWalt shear. The little drill attachment that. So I actually bought it because at the time most of the shears were too expensive, and the Harbor Freight one was just wicked expensive. And believe it or not, this works really good. And you can buy extra blades for it. It's also a knockoff of I think Mako makes this, Marco or something. There's another company that makes this, and I don't know, either stole the patent off them or what. But it's a pretty good, what do you call it? So that's pretty much my end of the year. I also picked up another bottle of brake clean for $3.49 on sale because I got a lot of parts got to clean. I'm always trying releasing chemicals. Every time I see a new one, I buy one and try it out. Like this one, it's a anti-rust fluid film. I've actually seen this on somebody else's channel. I don't know what his name is, but yeah. And I think that's pretty much it. Those are a couple of the new things I Just wanted to mention honorable mentions for things that I've used. But yeah, this thing, believe it or not, comes in handy. You want to crack something open, just stuff it in the middle, and if you want to, like, it's too much space, just put a wedge in it. It'll push you even further. Very good, very handy. So with that said, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends, and quick video. You know, nothing too fancy. Thanks for watching. Toodles.